environment, and growing job market. Number 2, infrastructure and accessibility. So, it is near Iloilo International Airport, siguro mga 15 minutes away. Iloilo Business Park and mega developments, Ayala Mega World and SM Prime have invested also. And expanding road networks. So, number 3, strong real estate growth. High property appreciation, affordable yet premium properties, and ideal for rentals. Number 4, lifestyle and sustainability. So of course, clean and green city, high quality of life, and rich culture and heritage. So, tourism and hospitality boom. So, syempre, arang sa major tourism destination dire sa Iloilo City. Welcome to Haro Grande Estates na guys. So, this is the 3 phases ng subdivision ni Haro Grande Estates. Ang first is Chateau Geneva, Costa Esmeralda, and Walford Homes Haro. So, this is the vicinity map. Nearby institutions. So, how to get to Haro Grande Estates? So, siguro tanan nakakadto naman sa side, guys. Kung wala pa, bali sa Haro Plaza ka mo halin, sakay lang ka mo sa Haro Liko nga Rotasan Jeep. Pero kasi mostly kasi may carbon ka mo, so ano ka, or pwede ka mo maka-message siya ko para sa previewin natin. Anytime din. Okay. So why we choose Haro Grande Estate? Siyempre, outstanding location, good investment, quality workmanship, exclusive community, unique ambience, and of course, individual title. Tanan nga ginabaligyan ni Philippine Estates, guys, may aragid na nga individual title. So, amo ni siya guys sa mamon nga development plan. North half pa lang siya.